Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Car speakers play a crucial role in enhancing the overall listening experience while driving. The sound quality, power handling capabilities, compatibility with your vehicle and budget constraints are all key factors to consider when purchasing car speakers. Good car speakers can transform mundane commutes into enjoyable journeys filled with high-quality music or immersive audio experiences. When upgrading your car speakers, you are not just investing in better sound, you are investing in elevating your daily drives to a whole new level of enjoyment. Choosing the right car speakers tailored to your preferences can make all the difference in how you experience music on the road. Understanding car speaker specifications. When it comes to choosing the perfect car speakers, understanding the technical specifications is crucial in ensuring you get the best audio experience on the road. Let's delve into the key specifications that play a vital role in determining the performance and output of your car speakers. Wattage and power handling. Wattage and power handling capacity are fundamental specifications to consider when selecting car speakers. The wattage rating indicates how much power the speakers can handle without getting damaged. The power handling capacity influences the volume and clarity of sound produced. Higher wattage speakers can handle more power, resulting in louder and clearer audio with minimal distortion. Sensitivity and impedance. Sensitivity and impedance are essential factors that significantly impact the efficiency and compatibility of car speakers. Sensitivity refers to how efficiently the speakers can convert power into sound. A higher sensitivity rating means the speakers can produce louder sound using less power. Impedance, measured in ohms, determines how much electrical resistance the speakers provide to the audio system. Matching the speaker's impedance with the audio system ensures optimal performance and prevents damage. Frequency response and speaker size. Frequency response and speaker size also play a crucial role in determining the audio quality of car speakers. Frequency response indicates the range of audio frequencies that a speaker can reproduce accurately. A wider frequency response ensures that the speakers can reproduce a broad range of sounds, from deep bass to crisp highs. Speaker size influences the bass response and overall sound quality. Larger speakers can move more air, producing deeper bass tones, while smaller speakers are better suited for higher frequencies. Understanding these vital specifications will empower you to make an informed decision when choosing car speakers that cater to your audio preferences and driving experience. By considering wattage, sensitivity, impedance, frequency response, and speaker size, you can enhance your in-car audio system and enjoy immersive sound quality on every journey. Types of car speakers. When it comes to upgrading your car's audio system, choosing the right type of car speakers is crucial to enhancing your driving experience. Let's delve into the various types available in the market and their unique features. Component speakers. Component speakers are known for their exceptional sound quality thanks to their separate components: woofers, tweeters, and crossovers. Woofers reproduce low frequencies for rich bass, while tweeters handle high frequencies for crisp vocals and instruments. The crossovers ensure that each component receives the right frequencies, resulting in a balanced sound output. While component speakers offer superior audio performance, they require more installation effort due to their components. Coaxial speakers. Coaxial speakers, also known as full-range speakers, incorporate multiple drivers in a single unit, combining woofers and tweeters. This integrated design makes them easier to install compared to component speakers. Coaxial speakers are ideal for those looking for a straightforward upgrade without the complexity of separate components. They provide a balanced sound output, making them suitable for a wide range of music genres. Subwoofers and tweeters. Subwoofers play a crucial role in reproducing low frequencies, delivering that deep, impactful bass that music enthusiasts crave. On the other hand, tweeters focus on producing high frequencies, ensuring clear and detailed vocals and instrumentals. Combining subwoofers and tweeters in your car audio system can result in a full-bodied sound that elevates your listening experience to new heights. By understanding the features and benefits of each type of car speaker, you can make an informed decision based on your audio preferences and installation requirements. Whether you prioritize sound quality or ease of installation, there's a car speaker type that suits your needs and enhances your time on the road. Choosing the right car speakers, determining sound preferences, identifying personal sound preferences. When choosing car speakers, it's essential to first identify your personal sound preferences. Are you a fan of booming bass that you can feel in your chest, or do you prefer a more balanced sound that allows you to hear every instrument? Maybe you're all about high-definition sound that brings out every nuance in your favorite tracks. Understanding your preferences will guide you towards selecting car speakers that cater to your specific audio needs. Vehicle compatibility and installation. Assessing compatibility and space. Before making a purchase, consider the compatibility of the car speakers with your vehicle's audio system and available space. Opt for speakers that fit seamlessly into your car without compromising comfort or safety. Professional installation is key to ensuring the optimal performance of your speakers, as experts can fine-tune the setup for the best sound quality tailored to your vehicle's specifications. Budget considerations. Setting a realistic budget. Setting a budget for your car speakers is crucial in navigating the wide range of options available. Determine a realistic amount you're willing to invest in upgrading your audio experience. Look for speakers that offer the best value in terms of sound quality and features within your budget constraints. Explore cost-saving strategies like comparing prices, opting for bundle deals, or considering slightly older models that still deliver exceptional performance without breaking the bank. Installation and maintenance tips. After investing in high-quality car speakers, it's crucial to ensure their proper installation and maintenance for optimal performance and longevity. Let's delve into practical tips to guide you through installing and caring for your car speakers effectively. Installation guide. When it comes to installing your new car speakers, following the manufacturer's guidelines is paramount. Here is a step-by-step guide to ensure a smooth installation process. 1. Prepare your tools. Gather necessary tools such as wire strippers, crimp connectors, and screwdrivers. 2. Remove old speakers. Carefully uninstall your old speakers by disconnecting the wiring and removing them from their placement. 3. Wiring and placement. Connect the new speaker wiring to the car's audio system following the color coding guidelines. Ensure proper placement to avoid vibrations or obstructions. 4. Testing procedures. Before securing the speakers in place, test them to ensure they are functioning correctly. Adjust any settings as needed for optimal sound quality. Maintenance best practices. Maintaining your car speakers regularly can significantly extend their lifespan and keep them performing at their best. Here are some best practices to help you care for your speakers effectively. Regular cleaning. Dust and debris can accumulate on speaker cones over time, affecting sound quality. Regularly clean your speakers using a soft brush or a dry cloth to prevent buildup. Checking connections. Periodically inspect the wiring connections to ensure they are secure and free of corrosion. Loose connections can lead to sound distortion or speaker damage. Avoiding extreme conditions. Protect your car speakers from exposure to extreme temperatures, moisture, or direct sunlight, as these factors can damage the internal components. Consider installing speaker covers for added protection. By following these installation and maintenance tips, you can enjoy crisp, clear audio from your car speakers for years to come. Remember, proper care and attention to detail can make a significant difference in how your speakers perform and last over time. Choosing the right car speakers is crucial for elevating your audio experience on the road. By considering factors like speaker size, power handling, and sound quality, you can tailor your sound system to meet your preferences and needs. Making an informed decision when purchasing car speakers ensures that you get the most out of your investment, enjoying crisp, clear sound every time you hit the road. So take the time to research and compare options, and don't hesitate to upgrade for a more immersive driving experience. Your ears will thank you. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll delve even deeper into the intricacies of car speaker technology and provide valuable tips for optimizing your audio setup for unparalleled sound quality. Please comment, like, share and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.